Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and good day to all. So thank you for those who have submitted their Hari Raya greeting card. I am sure that most of you are able to use it, and I can see that some of you are quite good at using the Canva application, so that is a good thing. And today we are going to continue our lesson with a listening activity. So what you are going to do is you are going to take your Supermind, get ready with your Supermind textbook, and look at page 85. Look at page 85, right? So now please go and take your Supermind, open page 85. What you should be able to see is this. We are looking at the first activity. And this is the picture. Alright? So what are we going to do is we are going to listen and we are going to write the names. So I am going to play the audio for you and you have to listen. About the writing names part, we will discuss after we listen to the audio. So everyone, get ready to listen to the audio.
Student's Book, page 85.
1. Listen and write the names.
Hello. Hello. These are my friends. Paul's wearing a black t-shirt. Is he eating cake? Yes, that's Paul. Now look at the boy playing a game on the floor. That's Ken.
Is Ken wearing a yellow sweater?
Yes, he is. Now look at Lara. She's wearing a pink t-shirt.
Is she watching TV?
No, she isn't. She's playing computer games.
OK, that's Lara.
The girl watching TV is Emma. She's wearing a red t-shirt.
Oh yes, Emma's my friend too.
Okay, so that would be the audio for the picture. As you can see that there are 4 names there: Lara, Emma, Paul, and Ken. So if you need to listen to the audio again and again to get the answer, it's not a problem. Just listen to it 2 times, 3 times, how many times that you want, as long as you get the answer. Alright, so this is the activity that we are going to do for the listening. So now the part of which we have to write the names. How are we going to do it? So everyone, if you remember, yesterday we were using the application, the Canva application, for editing purposes. We added a Hari Raya greeting card. So today you are going to use the same application for you to edit the same picture that you have seen just now, and you are going to write the names there. So I believe that you should be able to use the same application. I will actually give you the picture that you have seen just now, and you will download it and you will use it to edit the names there. Alright, for those who don't want to use the Canva application, it's not a problem. Just use any application, editing application that you wish to use, as long as you are able to edit it. Suddenly there's a fly here, sorry. As long as you are able to write the names, edit the names, put it there, save the picture, and then send it to the Telegram group, it is considered as done. So everyone, for those who are using the Canva application, I will provide a tutorial on how to do it. For those who are using other editing application in your phone, you have to explore it by your own. But still, if you need help from me, I will try my best to help you. So that would be all. If you have any problems, do let me know. Thank you everyone, and goodbye.